to go there in the coconut tree stand and go and get some coconuts we can toss at each other and try and kill each other. This is a serious competition.
Throw to your partner, and you have to turn your back to him, throw over your shoulder into a bucket, and who gets the most in the bucket within a time frame of a minute or something like that.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Okay.
11.
I like to get it up high in the air so the person can work underneath it. Now Estelle, on the other hand, she fires them like she's snapping a football, and Stephen usually has to take the bucket and block the coconuts from conking him in the head. He goes.
We have 4 competitions today. We had the coconut toss just now. We're here at Tahiti Beach and it's just idyllic. Everybody's having a great time. There's a great sandbank and we've got this thirsty kuda over there making the best cheeseburger in the Abacos. And so after that, we're going to have blind kayak races. Then we're going to have stand-up paddleboard races with umbrellas, or rumbrellas as we call them, because you drink a lot of rum and you use your umbrella to race each other. And then we're going to have the floaties. There's going to be another 3 or 4 races and it could be so freaking awesome.
We're at the Thirsty Kuda with Catamaran Guru.
I think they're great, you know. These are pretty high-tech sails we're using, and they're normally used for sort of like world championship races and stuff, but yeah, we like to bring them to the Bahamas to sort of educate people into the art of sailing.
Go behind the line, behind the line. Okay. All right, guys. Ready? Steady. Go! What? Give me a
taking a picture of me with my belly bopper on there.